China today is the most vibrant, large economy in the world. China is showing the way to the rest of the world in two ways. One is economy that is driven by high technology, but also economy that is guided by high quality of growth. Not just quantity, but high quality that results in improving the living conditions of the people.
I also envision to see quite a lot of commitment in terms of research and development, innovation, quite a lot of budgets in terms of especially the green opportunities that China has, but also in terms of technology and innovation, especially in the industries and manufacturing sector. We have seen China come out very strong in terms of use of robotics, artificial intelligence, and the championing for the Industrial 4.0.
China's own economy is very dynamic, very prosperous, and it's going to grow significantly. So, and many global multinational companies, including Honeywell, have significant stakes in China.